This wool circle garland is so easy to make, it can be done in mere minutes by just about anyone. Simple enough for beginners, all you need is a sewing machine and some wool or felt fabric. They're perfect for decorating for Christmas, Easter, birthday parties, baby showers, or any celebration you want to add a personal touch to. Making your own home decorations was never easier or cuter than with the simple wool circle garland. Before you begin, you'll need your wool or felt fabric. To save a whole lot of time and to simplify this project even more, we'll be using these pre-cut wool circles with colors designed by Sue Spargo. It comes already cut in a variety of colors in perfectly shaped circles. This makes it easy to choose the colors for your project, whether it's for a baby shower or something to decorate the Christmas tree. For our garland, we're going to choose these red, green, and yellow circles. However, if you're cutting your own circles from a larger piece of wool or felt fabric, an easy way to do this is to fold the fabric and cut out a half circle on the fold. This will help keep your circles looking more even. Finally, you'll want to choose your thread. You can use any regular sewing thread, but to make it a little extra special, consider something that stands out a little bit more. For our top thread, we'll be using this 20-weight rayon twist thread called D-Twist. It has two contrasting colors twisted together. In the bobbin, we'll be using an 80-weight thread called Deco Bob to balance out the heavier top thread. Once your machine is threaded and all of your fabric circles are ready to go, the last thing you'll need to choose is the stitch on your machine. If you have a basic machine with only a simple straight stitch, that will work just fine. But to add something a little more fun to your garland, you can choose one of the built-in decorative stitches on your machine. Pick a stitch that isn't too dense to accommodate the thicker thread. Position your first garland circle so the stitch starts at the far edge and sew to the next edge. Before you sew off the edge, get your next circle ready so that the stitch continues onto the new circle. Make sure you already have an idea of what order you want your circles in, based on size or color, so as not to sew in the wrong circle. Continue this way for as long as you want your garland to be. To finish, simply sew to the edge of the last circle and snip the thread. That's actually all there is to it. If you use pre-cut circles, you can get this project finished in less than half the time. We hope you can enjoy making this easy garland for yourself. Let us know in the comments if you plan on making this project, or to ask us about any questions you might have. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and click subscribe for more great sewing tips and tutorials. We'll see you again next time!